Hey guys, so I know last time we did transmission for G37, but today I'm gonna show you the whole process slowly. So first thing we need to do, we need to drain. This fluid because this is seal transmission. So from here you drain the fluid, and from here you add fluid, and here have a small dipstick on sides. So we drain the fluid now, and we'll show you how we do it. And always, like me, I have a bucket, so I have to drain the oil and I have to measure how many oil coming from the car, and we add in oil again. Stay with me. So guys, for open the plug, the first one you have to use number 19 to open this one to drain the oil. So I'll open this already, and you get your bucket like that. It's all about the sun. Okay, I can't see nothing too. And you open the plug like that. Here we go. And drain directly to the buckets. And you have to measure it. So guys, the fluid I got 3.3, and this is the old one. As you can see, really bad. So 3.3. Yeah, and the fluid we're gonna use today. And this is the fluid we're gonna use it. This is from dealership. There's always I use dealership fluid, I don't use aftermarkets. That's what is required for this car. Okay guys, so for adding fluid, you get the hand pump like this one, hand pump. And the place we gotta add fluid, I get a cap of the Lucas cap. You cut it from the top, and you push it like that. It's only way to add fluid to the car, like that. The cap. You add into the hose to reach the hose that way to add fluid. I see guys using this one, and you hold it, and the second guy to push the pump it. You see? This is the pump we're using. Yeah, easy job. So guys, I'm done. I add the fluid already. So now I have to tie the plug back to the place. And always when you use this one, to tie it back really good, use a wrench to get more access like that. Okay, it's tight, it's good. And clean the surface. Actually, you need two people to do this transmission, because you need somebody to hold the place to add fluid to the car. Now we're gonna do the front differential. It's really far there, so I show you how to do that too.